So Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold lineup has come a long way in the few years they've been around. There's a real tangible novelty to the ways in which they differ from your stock standard glass sandwich smartphone. But that doesn't mean they are perfect. They still face two significant issues. One of them is the dreaded crease. Although it has improved as Samsung's foldable phones have evolved ever since they were launched in 2019, but Samsung is still miles behind compared to the competition as far as the crease is concerned. But things are changing with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Rumors have been saying the Z Fold 4 will have the least noticeable crease we've seen on a Samsung foldable phone. And we have a real-life picture to suggest that it was indeed true. Ice Universe has posted the image of the crease of the Z Fold 4 next to the Z Fold 3, and it shows the Z Fold 4 has a less pronounced crease. Although it's not as good as the one on the Oppo Find N, it is a significant improvement compared to the Z Fold 3. I've also shown you the crease on the Z Flip 4, where Samsung has done an even better job at minimizing the crease. Moving on, I have some great news if you are a fan of technology. You see, the future of smartphones is not foldable phones, not even rollable phones. The future of smartphone computing actually belongs to AR glasses. Initially, the AR glasses will simply be an accessory that will pair with your smartphone, like the Galaxy Watch or Apple Watch. And one day they will make smartphones obsolete. And that day is sooner than you think, because Apple's AR glasses have now entered the design development stage. That's according to industry analyst Jeff Pu, who says Apple's AR glasses are one step closer to becoming a reality, with a prototype to be ready by the end of this year and mass production in the second half of 2024, which is way earlier than what we expected. To be clear, Apple will first release a mixed reality headset in early 2023, which is going to be a typical VR headset, but one with a number of exterior cameras and sensors that unlock bonus functionality. Apple Glass will rely on a companion iPhone for processing, so it will have significantly fewer parts and complexity, and would also not have an exorbitant price tag. Some of the use cases of these glasses include navigation, real-time language translations, a personal home theater, and many more. The use cases are endless, even more than what our phones can offer. With so much functionality, Ming-Chi Kuo even says that AR glasses will totally replace iPhones in the next 10 years, which is a huge statement. Samsung is also working on AR glasses and has already shown a couple of concept videos, but no information about when we might see it. For all the latest content, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.